Good Thursday evening, Southeast Texas. Looks like the potential for an ice storm coming up on Monday, but now's the time to start preparing your house for the potential of very cold weather conditions, maybe record-breaking low temperatures coming up Tuesday. That means you'll need to take care of pipes, wrap them, or turn the water off, plants, pets, people, the whole bit. You need to be careful with space heaters. And again, this looks like Monday into Tuesday, but it's going to be chilly and only get progressively colder as we head towards Tuesday morning. So here's the potential for a winter storm, really an ice storm developing across the area on Monday. We expect freezing rain primarily with sleet, and that will occur roughly from around midnight Sunday right on through late Monday afternoon. I'm not willing to go any more than about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. That's my forecast. The low end, if it's a bust, it could be a quarter to maybe a third inch. So I think we're going to get something out of this, at least a quarter of an inch, okay? I'm confident enough to say that. Could we see more than 3/4 of an inch? Absolutely. But I'm not willing to go any more than what we saw in 1997, which was anywhere between a quarter of an inch and 1.25 inches of ice. So that's what we're forecasting right now, just a little less than what we saw in 1997, because this is going to be a shorter duration event than what we saw over in 1997. That was 2 or 3 days, if I'm correct on my memory. But again, this is going to be about 18 hours that we'll see the potential for freezing rain and sleet. Here's the latest computer models. And again, these are going to change, okay? These are only a starting point as far as amounts of ice that we're expecting. This is showing about a half an inch of ice. Okay, I'm not willing to go an inch yet. As we get closer to the event, maybe Saturday, yeah, we might increase that. But right now, I think it's reasonable to go anywhere from about a quarter to maybe 3/4 of an inch of ice accumulation across the area. That would produce power outages and certainly would cripple travel across the area. Freezing rain, GFS model, and also the Euro, both showing this. So again, what's going to happen is that there's a warm layer just above the surface, and there's going to be just enough freezing temperatures close to the surface to where this becomes freezing rain. So we got rain coming up tonight and tomorrow, a break of sorts coming up over the weekend. Still could see some showers. More rain, really the ice, freezing rain is expected on Monday. But again, look at how much the models are showing. A half an inch per the Euro. GFS is showing a quarter of an inch. How are you going to get over an inch of ice? So that's why I'm going with what I'm going. We'll see. Could be more. Otherwise, we'll see another round of rain. Both models gung-ho on, say, Wednesday of next week. And there could be some more freezing rain and sleet, mainly up in the lakes. Could get close to the triangle, but again, we're unsure of exactly where that freezing line is going to be. Regardless, the models have come into a better agreement as far as temperatures. Look at them. Pretty close altogether coming up on Sunday and Monday. Still a little difference coming up on Tuesday, but it's gotten a lot closer. So the confidence in the forecast is going up, and it now looks like we're going to go with about 34 for Sunday morning, just above freezing in the triangle, probably freezing in the lakes area. So any precip up there may start early in the lakes area, and 45. For Monday, we're going to go with that freezing rain and drizzle, and also sleet. We'll go with a low of 30 in Beaumont, high of 36 on Monday afternoon, well below normal. Then on Tuesday, well, how about that? We don't see 1 degree anymore on one of those models for next Tuesday. We'll go with 19 in Beaumont and a high of 43. Obviously, in the lakes area, it's going to be even colder. It could be in the 15-degree range, and that's what we're going with. Roughly from around, say, just north of Beaumont through the lakes area, we'll be in the mid-teens. From Beaumont back over towards Vidor, Bridge City, also into Orange, Mid-County, probably around anywhere between, say, 18 to maybe near 19, possibly 20 degrees in Port Arthur. So this is going to be a hard pipe-busting freeze coming up on Tuesday morning and would break the record. So these are your forecasted low temperatures through the next 7 days. Every morning we'll see below normal temperatures, and we could be about 25 degrees below normal coming up on Tuesday, while highs will be all below normal through the next 7 days. Monday, if we hit 36, that would be about 30 degrees below normal. So we've got a disturbance coming on in. That's why we're seeing rain tonight and tomorrow. Another disturbance over the weekend will keep showers in the forecast. And the main event that will create the potential ice storm on Monday comes in and it shows a lot of lift with this particular disturbance coming through. So showers through this evening, and then we may get a break coming up, say after midnight, before I think we'll see more rain develop. Should see temperatures remaining above freezing in the lakes for lows. We'll go to the mid-30s there and into near 40 in the triangle. I think we'll see more than what you see on here as far as rainfall tomorrow as the rains redevelop. Could see high temperatures only near 40 in the lakes area and into the mid-40s in the triangle. Choppy seas on the Gulf of Mexico around 2 to 4 feet tomorrow. We'll see northeasterly winds at 10 to 20 knots. Water temperature 59. Our forecast tonight, it's going to be wet, chilly, and breezy. Mid-30s lakes for lows near 40 to the lower 40s in the triangle. Tomorrow, 70% coverage of rain, chilly and breezy, near 40 to the lower 40s in the lakes to the mid-40s in the triangle. Extended forecast. Saturday and Sunday, 20 to 30% coverage, cloudy and cold, but we've seen this before. Lows in the 30s, highs in the 40s. Monday's a different story. So midnight, Monday, right on through Monday morning, early Monday afternoon, and into Monday mid-afternoon is when we're going to see this move through. We are expecting freezing rain primarily and sleet across southeast Texas. Again, the model's showing as much as a ½ an inch. Again, could be more. I'll show you what these models were dropping. And again, this is going to change. Several degrees, 25 to 30 degrees below normal. Tuesday, hard freeze. I'll show that to you again. Mid-teens. This is pipe busting weather. You either need to turn your water off, drip, or certainly cover all your pipes because you'll have damage out of this as temperatures drop into the mid to upper teens across most of the area. With sun finally coming back, we're only at 42, 43. Wednesday, more rain. Could be freezing rain and sleet up in the lakes area. A little too close for the triangle. I think it's going to be just above at freezing, but I think the rains will come in just after morning, so we should be above freezing here in the triangle. But it may not be the case up in the lakes area, and additional showers coming in on Thursday, still remaining well below normal through the next 7 days. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com/weather. Stay safe, stay warm, and thanks so much for watching 12 News.